back to our channel, guys. Today we're going to be showing you how to make churros. This is our first time, so if you'd like to learn how to make them, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so these are some of the things that you will need to make your churros.
Alright, so we have 700 milliliters of water. I have 35 grams of butter, 5 grams of salt, 2 little
Nella sticks.
but in English, cinnamon.
Cinnamon sticks.
And then we have 3 eggs, we got vanilla, and then we have 340 grams of all-purpose flour. And we have canola oil, and then we have our whisk and our fryer. Got it? Alright guys, so we gotta put the water in the pan, in our pot, and we have to let it boil. But you add the butter and your cinnamon, and we also add our salt. Let it boil.
Alright, cool. I'll be back when it's boiling. Thanks. So you guys see it boiling?
Turn it off. More with it. Alright, so this is where you add a little bit of vanilla. You can add as much as you want, but I add a little bit.
Babe, say hi.
Yeah, I can. Alright, I think it is ready to go in the fryer. As you can see, our fryer is already nice and hot.
Look how fast it is.
Yeah, right. Check it out.
Really good.
Alright, so our fryer says it's ready. Check it out.
I won't focus.
Alright, whatever. Ready. So the actual one, the badass ones, like they're like fucking like 30. I'm gonna do this so fast. Yeah, it's pretty much already dry.
Oh, they look good. Bomb. I know you guys like to see me on the camera, but I'm gonna let Chala have his 5 minutes of fame. Bomb.
Oh my god, dude. Better than Disney, I just know that.
Oh no, you didn't.
Bro, I'm not even lying. Taste one.
Alright, I'm about to taste one, guys. Alright guys, so ignore the fact that I look like a homeless, but...
Try it. Let me know how. Tell me the truth. What's that, dude?
Bomb. They are better than Disney. They're so soft, so flavorful.
Well,
Ok, esta es una señora que nos encontramos en la calle. ¿Cómo saben los churros, señora?
Deliciosos.